everyone, welcome to Deepika Makeup. Hope you all are doing super awesome. So today's video is going to be a review video on the newest release by Milani, and it's the Amore Matte Lip Creams. A lot of you asked me to review these in the recent times, but I initially thought of skipping on these because I've recently acquired many liquid lipsticks from other brands, and I was like totally saturated with liquid lipsticks, so I thought I'll pass on these. But looking at all the rage on YouTube and Instagram and a lot of requests from you, I thought I'll just go get them. I did have hard time finding these because I was only looking for these in Walgreens, because initially they said these are exclusive to Walgreens, and somehow I went into CVS one day and I found this. I was super happy. I just picked out all the colors that I needed, and if you're still having any trouble finding these at Walgreens, check out your CVS. They might still have, because a lot of people don't know that these are available at CVS, so check that out. Right now this is a limited edition collection, but I have a feeling that these will be released in the permanent line with more colors. I'm saying this only because I've seen the same pattern with the matte lipsticks and the rose blushes. They initially released those in some limited edition collections with limited quantities, and when people went gaga over those, they released them in the permanent collection with more colors. So just my feeling that they would be releasing these in the permanent collection. But if you are on the fence to get these or not, go get them. So the price of these on the Milani website, they were listed as $8.99 or $7.99. I believe $8.99, but I got this at CVS for $6.30, so quite an inexpensive price. But sometimes the drugstore has some sales like buy one get one 50% off or something. So if you are lucky enough to get those at that price, fantastic. But I had to pay full price on all these six. If you see at all these colors, you can easily say that Milani was going for like fall or winter collection, those deep burgundy, pink and oxblood colors. They've included like 2 or 3 nudes and a couple of reds, but the rest all are deep colors that you can wear in fall and winter. And then the packaging is really classy. It comes in a plastic clear plastic bottle with a gold cap, and it's really beautiful. And this is the same packaging they have for their lip gloss as well, so do not get confused for these. With the lip glosses, you can see the name here as Amore Matte Lip Cream, so that's where you have to look for. And when you open it, the applicator is really good. So that's the flat applicator, and the product actually picks up on both the sides, so you get enough product to cover your entire lips. And it's very easy to apply this lipsticks with this applicator as well. And coming to the formula of this product, these are very creamy and pigmented, and they're very easy to apply as well. These don't set as quickly, so you have some time to work around your lips. Some of the darker colors apply a little patchy, but if you go over the second time, you can get 100% opacity, so that's not even a problem. So I'm definitely impressed with the formula, and these actually remind me of the Stila All Day Liquid Lipsticks. And I actually found a dupe for one of my most worn liquid lipstick, which is Stila's Patina. Milani Amore Matte Lip in Lust is 100% dupe of this. If you want to see the comparison between the two, I posted a picture on my Instagram. You can check out that picture. It's exactly the same color, except there's a slight difference in the formula of these two. Milani is more sheer, but if you apply 2 coats, it's totally fine. And also Milani dries out a little more matte than Stila. lipsticks. You don't even have to check on your lipstick for 6 to 7 hours. Like, these don't transfer, these don't fade, they stay put all day long, except if you have something hot or greasy. That's when you will see some fading in the inner parts of your lips. Otherwise you won't have any issue with this lip product. But obviously you will have something throughout the day, so you will need to reapply the inner parts of the lips, but otherwise the rest all is fine. As I mentioned before, the reapplication is not a problem for the lighter colors, but with the darker colors you just have to go for a couple of coats to get the opacity that you see in the outer parts of the lips, but otherwise you're fine. 6 to 7 hours, I want to say, you won't have any issue with this lip product. And also, once the product is completely faded off your lips, the darker colors and even the lighter colors actually leave a very beautiful stain on your lips, and the stain is very even. So even if you feel that you don't want any lip product, you can just remove it throughout the day and you will have a very beautiful stain. Especially Embrace, which is like a deep pink color, it left a very beautiful pink stain on my lips. It looked very natural and I absolutely love that about these. And I use an oil based remover to remove these product. I tried with a makeup remover, it didn't work. I usually use olive oil or grapeseed oil to remove this off my lips, and removing is a little bit of pain, so that you might have to take care of, but otherwise rest all fantastic. That completes my review. I would totally recommend getting a couple of these. These are absolutely amazing and you can thank me later. Just go get them. Check out your CVS or Walgreens, or you can also order off Milani's website. I will leave that link in the description box below. And that completes my video. I will see you all in the next video. Bye bye. That's how the packaging looks like. Oh my god, I just couldn't resist this, and you can see the Givenchy right here. Beautiful packaging.